Okay, so whenever I was taking out, I have to push the engine like this to make a space. So that's why I removed this mount and everything. But this one is for my to see it properly and do not hit anything over here on the radiator or anything. So that's why I just make it sure that everything come out properly. So yeah, you have a more space like this, so you can push it like this, and that's enough space to, otherwise it will stuck over here. So once you push it over there, then you have enough space to move it up, pull with the pulley like this, and drop it like this, and then move it. Remember that thing that will first tight the 10 millimeter, which is this one have a 12 millimeter, I guess, and tight. Don't forget to tight over here a tiny notch which hold the rest of the wiring. uh, I'll show you just a second. Okay, this is what I'm talking about here, and this is 8 millimeter. So once we remove it, this thing, I'll shift it over here, so both look same fittings, everything looks same to me. Let's see, like this, everything is same. So I'll take it off this one and just make it loose, because this is a little bit longer bolt, somehow they put it in, but this one they have a same one. So this is original. It's almost like a 200 miles on 200,000, almost around 170, 150, 170 or 180,000 miles, 100 miles, 100,000 miles, I think 170,000, something like that. Anyways, okay, the fun thing is, like, that's why they have longer bolt. So they have another one. You can, this bolt will remain over here, so you don't have to touch it. Now you have to tighten this one, and that's it. That will be same as well. Okay, front 7 ribs and ribs. So it's like a 6 PK6 or something, but it is. This looks same. Everything looks same. So it's ready to go back. Let's see how it go back. Let's go like this. You don't have a space over here, so oh, that's difficult for me to make a video. Plus, okay, I'll try it, but you get the idea how I'm doing it. I don't want to damage anything, so I need a second hand. So I have to pause the video, and once I'm on the stage, then I can show you. Okay, I have to push it hard like this, and engine should go like almost there, so I can make a space so it will go in. So now I'm on the position where I'll tie the wires and everything. So hopefully that video helps you. Rest of the thing is fixing back, so vice versa. So that's the 3 points which I have issues with a little bit. So hopefully you will not suffer for that, or maybe you have other options, you can do it, but that's what I did for my work, and that's helped me out. Please subscribe, share my videos, and if you like, please comment. If you don't like, still comment. So I try my best to make a good videos, but it's one man. I don't have a professional cameras over here to put it on, so I have to do it myself. Thank you for watching. This is Sharo from Auto Services Provider. This is CRV 2008, and that's it. These are K24 engine, and they are on other cars as well, Hondas or Acuras. They have this engines, and similar engines are Civic as well, but that's K20. So almost same. Some of them they have a plastic over here. These are old models, some are new models, so they have a difference over here. Engines are same, but the rest of the parts are different, so they have a space are different. Thank you for watching. Hope you like. Please share, subscribe. Thank you.